guys, good morning. It is Jovi and today is Thursday the 16th of May. On my way to work. I just got out of the house. Very late now, guys, because when I got up early this morning, Paris woke up as well at the same time, so she has been really clingy. She doesn't want to let go of me. She wants to be held all the time. She wants her milk. I feel so sorry for her, guys, but I have to go to work, so that's why I'm here now. She's with Mimi and we just tried to trick her, guys. We just put the nursery rhymes on TV, but seriously, like, I just want to cry, guys, because I obviously doesn't want to leave her, but I gotta go to work, and yeah, and she'll be fine. She'll be totally fine with her tita, guys. So I am going now. I will go to work late. It's better late than never, right? So I'm going, and I'll see you guys later on. Bye. Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm on my lunch break and I'm going to the district Docklands. It is just across the road from where I work. I heard that the shop UNIQLO just opened today, so we're gonna go and have a look what they've got in there. The sun is up, guys, as you can see, but mind you, it's only 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. That building is so cool. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get there. So we're here, guys. Have a look at the cards. Hi guys, good afternoon. Now it's already 5:30 in the afternoon. I'm still in the office because I got to work late this morning because Paris won't let me go. That's why I'm here, because I stayed back. Everyone's gone, it's just me here, so I thought I'm gonna do what's in my bag before I leave. So the bag that I'm using today, guys, is this black bag from Givenchy, the Antigona. It's a size small, and let's get into it. See what's in there. I don't carry a lot in my bag, guys, so there's not a lot to show here. First is my wallet. So this is my Louis Vuitton wallet, the Sarah multicolored with the grenade, I think that's how you pronounce it, interior. So it's the hot pink. It is beautiful, and I've got my name stamped so no one could steal it. That's not really the reason why. The reason why I got it stamped, because this wallet has got sentimental value for me. When I got a phone call from this company 4 years ago saying that I got the job, straight away I went to Louis Vuitton and purchased this one. So this is the first brand new Louis Vuitton that I purchased for myself. And yeah, it's just beautiful, guys. See, as you can see, it's already 4 4 years old wallet, but it still looks incredible. So that's what it looks like inside. So that's it. The next one is, wait a second. Actually, there's only 2 stuff inside. There you go. But this is not gonna take long, guys. So the second one is my pouch. This is the GM size. And inside I've got, the first one is my, how do you call this? Perfume. Roll-on perfume. I don't know. This is from Gucci, so I'm not a perfume type of person, but I don't know, I just can't bring myself spending too much for a perfume. I did it once. I purchased like a Dior perfume, and then I think that was like 200 Australian dollars, and seriously, I don't know, I just can't justify spending that much again for a perfume. So last Christmas 2018, I prayed that hopefully someone's gonna give me a perfume, because I don't really want to spend a lot of money for a perfume. So guess what, my friend Ati Wang, hi Ati Wang, if you're watching this video, she gave this to me. She's so nice, she's so sweet, for, you know, thinking about, you know, giving this to me. There's actually 3 of these guys with different scents, so yeah, this is good. I'll just use now because it's Thursday night, guys, so you know it's Thursday night, it's date night for Mama and Dada, so that's what we're doing tonight. That's what it is. The next one is, I just, you know, bring a, I don't know, it's in here, so just one hair clip just in case I need it, and I've got 2 elastic band, and else I've got lipstick. So this lipstick is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is not what I use today, but it's just in the pouch. So, and also I've got my eye drops, guys. So as you can see, I'm wearing glasses. I don't really want to. I hate wearing glasses, but well, unfortunately I had to. So this is for my eyes, because I went to the optometrist, I think just about 3 months ago, and he told me that my eyes are so dry, and he asked me not to wear contact lenses for, I don't know, maybe for a long time, just to give my eyes some rest. So no contact lens for me, although sometimes I'm stubborn and I'm so naughty, I still use my contact lens sometimes, every now and then, you know, when I don't feel like, you know, I want to wear my glasses, because yeah, I don't like glasses, guys, seriously, I don't think I look good in them. Anyways, moving on, the last thing in my pouch is the gum, double mint gum, and that's about it, guys. I don't really carry makeup with me because I don't do touch-ups. I don't, for now, when I leave the house and I wear makeup, that's it for the rest of the day. I don't do any more, you know, retouch. So yeah, that's about it. And I'm just wrong. No, we're close. It's already 5:30. And oh yeah, one more thing is my key holder. This one, and this is the 6 rings. Yep. So this is my car keys, and just, you know, for the office, just to swipe and, you know, open. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I like putting everything, the small things in the pouch, because as you can see, this bag, it's very structured, guys. Like, I love the structure, right? It looks elegant, it looks luxurious because of the, it's black, and also it's got silver hardware, but there's no compartments, guys. There's nothing, so it's just like a big black hole in there. So yeah, that's why I make sure that I put little things in the pouch. See, guys, I don't even bring like comb or anything. Like, I'm so bad at that. Yeah, because I just make sure that, I've got my wallet, I've got my eye drops, and that's about it. So I showed you already what's inside my bag, and yeah, so I'm gonna shut down my computers now. I'm going to meet Dada at Footscray because we're gonna go have dinner date, and yeah, so I'll see you guys there.
Later, one eternity later.
So that's where we're going, guys. Indian for dinner tonight. Hi guys, this is what we got. We got garlic naan, yum. And that's mine, beef vindaloo. And that's Dada, I don't know what it is. Is that chicken or?
Lamb.
Lamb. So yeah, we're just waiting for the saffron rice, and it's time to eat. Hi guys, we're home now. So I am now with Paris. You want to say hi? Hi? Did you miss Mama? Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, she missed me, guys. I miss her too. Say hi, me. Oh. Who's that? Yeah, so we're going to end the vlog here today, guys. For today, I mean... Who's that? Paris. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Say bye, Paris. See you later. See you later. See you later. Mama. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.